Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I have a new package in from Fat Quarter Shop. So I can't wait to jump in and see what we got. All right, you guys, I am pretty sure that this is a Fat Quarter bundle. I haven't looked at my shipping notifications in a while. I don't even need that knife. It's probably going to be Lori Holtz or Moda. Sorry, I'm tongue-tied this morning already. All right. So let's see what we got. Oh, I forgot about this. So this is the block of the month for Tula Pink's dragon fruit quilt. Gosh, why? I'm like lost today, guys. Okay, so we got our block of the month. So we're gonna make another 16 blocks this month, guys. Okay. So we got more of the fabric, which kind of answers the question. I wondered if last month's extra was going to be really truly surplus or if we were going to use that later on. Definitely we'll keep it for mistakes, but I'm seeing some of the same fabrics that we already had, and it looks like we're going to get a little bit more of them. There's some new ones in here too, for sure. So this looks like it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different ones. So all of our instructions are still going to be in that book. Where did I put mine? I'll have to find it. So again, this comes with the exact pictures. So now we can take these pictures and cut them out and put them on our design board as we're creating our blocks. So it makes it really easy to follow the pattern. So let me get you guys some close-ups. Okay, so a close-up of our fabrics that we got in our kit this month. This is, again, dragon fruit block number 2. It comes in this great little baggie, so we'll be able to store by month. It even has this little label on the front that says what block of the month. It says month 2. So this is going to really help you stay organized. So I love that the Fat Quarter Shop is sending them out that way and making it easier for all of us. So we're going to be making those blocks this month. So I believe that is called an economy and a square and a square. So we're going to be using 2 different ones. And we had this fabric last month. I had a little bit of it left. Oh no, we didn't have this fabric. The one from last month was the darker pattern. Okay. See, I'm making assumptions here. But it's kind of that same wood grain pattern. This one's a little bit lighter variety than what we had last month. This is my scrap from last month. So it is a little bit darker. Okay. So I'm really excited to be working on this quilt, you guys. I know I keep saying that and I feel a little bit like a broken record, but I think Tula's fabrics are really pretty, but sometimes they can be a little bit intimidating. Some of those big hero prints, like I'm just the more traditional quilter in me struggles. So we did have this one last month. I do have a tiny bit of this left over, but this will be nice to have additional. That's a whole fat quarter. Whole fat quarter. Okay, we had some of this last month as well. This is a really cute lime green with some purple dots. Looks like a fat 1/8. And I just love this little print. I know it's one of her more popular prints, but it's just so pretty. It's delicate, it's fun, it's vibrant, but it's not overpowering. I just really like it a lot. So we got a fat quarter of that. Maybe it doesn't want to fold up like a regular fat quarter. They probably folded them specifically so you could see them all as we unbox them. Okay. And then our final print is another fat quarter of, I don't think we had this one last month, but it feels very similar to one of our prints in at least the tones. So I think that that's going to be a really great quilt, you guys. These colors all tie so nicely. It is a loud quilt, but it's going to be fun. And I can't wait to sew this month's blocks out. Okay, guys, so that's a wrap on this unboxing. This, again, was the Tula Pink Fat Quarter Shop's monthly sew along. They sell this subscription along with the backing on their website. I am so excited to be doing this. 16 blocks of each month on paper piecing is a lot of fun. It is a style that I really like to use. I don't want to do it all the time, but this is like the perfect balance. of kind of pushing us into that little bit more modern feel, and then using the paper piecing in a way that's not super overwhelming. So I will definitely get a tutorial up on this soon, and I can't wait until then. If you like watching any of my unboxing videos or my other tutorials, please do hit that like and subscribe button. It helps me out a ton. And until then, I will see you guys next time.